Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a glitch effect in Photoshop. First, duplicate your main image by going to Layer, then Duplicate Layer. Next, open Blending option. Then in the Channel section, deselect the red. Then click OK. Next, by holding the Shift key on your keyboard, press the left arrow key 5 times. Using the Rectangle tool, create multiple lines. It is up to you how many lines you would like to create or how thick or thin they will be. Then select all the rectangle images, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, by holding the Control key on your keyboard, click on the Smart Object thumbnail to create a marquee selection. Then hide the rectangle layer and select your image layer. Make sure the Move tool is selected. Now, by holding the Shift key on your keyboard, press the right arrow key 5 times. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.